Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect IONOS domain to Etsy. First thing I want you to do is just log into your IONOS dashboard, come to the top, click on menu, and then click on domains and SSL. From here I want you to scroll down and just choose the IONOS domain you want to connect to Etsy, so choose this one. And then here under details, you'll see destination. So click on adjust destination, and now it's connected to X. Okay, you can click adjust connection to external page, or you can click here as well, connect to external page. You scroll down until you see e-commerce services. You'll see Etsy right here. Click on that. And we need to go ahead and enter our Etsy shop name. You can find this in your URL as well. So for example, right here, this is the shop name, everything after shop /. Okay, this is the shop name. You copy, you paste it here, and then you just click on connect. And it will redirect to you, okay, and you'll get a success message. There you go. It's now connected to Etsy. Really that easy, and that is how to connect IONOS domain to Etsy.